Ready to finally ditch the credit card stress and take control of your spending for good? Let me break down exactly how to master credit cards within YNAB, ensuring every swipe stays aligned with your financial goals. First, link your credit card account to YNAB. This ensures all transactions are automatically imported, saving you tons of manual entry time. Next, see how YNAB automatically creates a credit card payment category when you add a credit card. The magic here is that YNAB moves money into this category whenever you make a purchase on credit. Now, when you make a purchase, like groceries, simply categorize the transaction as usual. This tells YNAB where that money should be coming from in your budget. Notice how the available amount in your credit card payment category increases. YNAB is setting aside the funds needed to pay off that purchase when your bill is due. If you're carrying a pre-existing balance, budget money directly into the credit card payment category until the available amount matches what you owe. This creates a plan to tackle that debt. Finally, when you make a payment, record the transaction as a transfer from your checking account to your credit card account. This keeps everything aligned and accurate within your budget. And that's it. By using YNAB, you can confidently approach credit cards, make informed spending decisions, and reach your financial goals faster, one payment at a time. Now get out there and conquer your budget.